Which method of weed control uses bioagents like insects and pathogens? A. Chemical weeding. B. Mechanical weeding. C. Manual weeding. D. Biological weed control. The correct answer is D. Biological weed control. Who acted as an advisor to Periya Marudu? A. Velu Nachiyar. B. Marudu brothers. C. Chinna Marudu. D. Kattabomman. The correct answer is C. Chinna Marudu. What is maintained by biodiversity? A. Ecological imbalance. B. Ecological balance. C. Global warming. D. Human population growth. The correct answer is B. Ecological balance. Which type of molecules are mentioned as working together in physiological processes? A. Synthetic molecules. B. Inorganic molecules. C. Biomolecules. D. Atmospheric molecules. The correct answer is C. Biomolecules. Which of the following topics is not mentioned as a learning objective for a new unit in the provided text? A. Understanding electric current. B. Understanding fluid density. C. Understanding electric charge. D. Understanding fluid pressure. The correct answer is B. Understanding fluid density. What was Gandhi's stance on separate electorates for the depressed classes? A. He proposed a referendum. B. He was neutral on the issue. C. He strongly supported them. D. He went on a fast unto death against them. The correct answer is D. He went on a fast unto death against them. What happens to height and weight during adolescence in both boys and girls? A. They decrease significantly. B. They increase. C. They fluctuate unpredictably. D. They remain constant. The correct answer is B. They increase. What artifact was found at Kodumnal? A. Spindle whorl. B. Iron implements. C. Pot filled with rice. D. Roman artifacts. The correct answer is A. Spindle whorl. Plant cells are described as being hard in nature due to the presence of what structure? A. Nucleus. B. Cell wall. C. Cell membrane. D. Chloroplast. The correct answer is B. Cell wall. What is the molecular formula for water? A. H2O. B. HO. C. HO2. D. H2O2. The correct answer is A. H2O. What is identified as the most common and important tax levied on an individual in India? A. Sales tax. B. Goods and services tax, GST. C. Property tax. D. Income tax. The correct answer is D. Income tax. Who was arrested along with other Bolsheviks after the banning of Pravda? A. Trotsky. B. Kerensky. C. Stalin. D. Lenin. The correct answer is A. Trotsky. Which group of plant hormones were the first to be identified? A. Ethylene. B. Gibberellins. C. Auxins. D. Cytokinins. The correct answer is C. Auxins. Which Rashtrakuta ruler was the last to hold the empire intact? A. Virupaksha. B. Parantaka. C. Govinda III. D. Krishna III. The correct answer is C. Govinda III. What type of disputes did the Mofassil Diwani Adalat resolve? A. Revenue disputes. B. Civil disputes. C. Military disputes. D. Criminal disputes. The correct answer is B. Civil disputes. Which of the following cities is shown near the Arabian Sea? A. Goa. B. Ahmednagar. C. Odisha. D. Nallore. The correct answer is A. Goa. Which continent is extensively served by an efficient network of railways? A. Europe. B. North America. C. Asia. D. South America. The correct answer is B. North America. What are abyssal plains part of? A. Ocean floor relief. B. Glacial formations. C. Continental landforms. D. Atmospheric layers. The correct answer is A. Ocean floor relief. Which type of glands are the smallest salivary glands? A. Parotid glands. B. Sublingual glands. C. Submandibular glands. D. Submaxillary glands. The correct answer is B. Sublingual glands. What is one of Africa's major geographical and geological features? A. The Sahara Desert. B. The Great Rift Valley. C. The Nile River. D. Mount Kilimanjaro. The correct answer is B. The Great Rift Valley. What attitude of Germany was considered a factor in the outbreak of World War I? A. Conciliatory. B. Defensive. C. Aggressive. D. Appeasement. The correct answer is C. Aggressive. What specific type of mosquito transmits malaria? A. Culex mosquito. B. Male Anopheles mosquito. C. Aedes albopictus mosquito. D. Female Anopheles mosquito. The correct answer is D. Female Anopheles mosquito. What are the horizontal rows in the modern periodic table called? A. Columns. B. Periods. C. Blocks. D. Groups. The correct answer is B. Periods. When was the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation issued by the Marudhu Pandyars? A. June 1801. B. July 1800. C. August 1802. D. May 1803. The correct answer is A. June 1801. In what type of environment is excessive reverberation considered undesirable? A. A small classroom. B. An anechoic chamber. C. An open field. D. An auditorium or big hall. The correct answer is D. An auditorium or big hall. What term describes the process where a solute dissolves in a solvent? A. Melting. B. Precipitation. C. Dissolution. D. Freezing. The correct answer is C. Dissolution. What is vermiwash primarily used for in agriculture? A. Pest control. B. Seed treatment. C. Soil aeration. D. Foliar spray for crops. The correct answer is D. Foliar spray for crops. Why might a water strider's movement on water be an example of a specific physical concept? A. Buoyancy. B. Gravity. C. Surface tension or reduced friction. D. Kinetic energy. The correct answer is C. Surface tension or reduced friction. What gives a molecule its characteristic chemical properties? A. Its solubility in water. B. Its physical state. C. The number of carbon atoms. D. Its functional group. The correct answer is D. Its functional group. Which organ and organ system help to maintain homeostasis? A. Lungs and respiratory system. B. Brain and nervous system. C. Heart and circulatory system. D. Kidneys and excretory system. The correct answer is D. Kidneys and excretory system. How did you score?